Hey again guys, Clint McCullough, Clinical Sales Director from BoneFoam. Today we're going to be talking about our surgery center leg elevator. Like a lot of our ramps or leg elevators, the most important thing that we're doing here is really isolating the anatomy compared to the other leg. You can imagine if you have the leg side by side and we're trying to do an operation on either one of these legs, you ultimately get the other leg in the way. Therefore, it's really important that we isolate that leg so we have access to both sides of the extremity. The other thing that it's doing is it's making it really easy to take x-rays. Oftentimes, same thing, if we don't have a ramp in here, we don't have the leg elevated, when we take a lateral x-ray from the side, you're going to see the non-operative leg in the background. Oftentimes, to mitigate that, if you have a fracture, you might even have somebody hold the leg up to take an image. That can be challenging for a couple of reasons. Number one, you're exposing people in the operating room to radiation. The other challenge with that, if you have an unstable fracture and we're constantly lifting it up and putting it down, you could be disrupting the fracture and potentially putting the patient in harm's way. So for our ramps, it's going to do a good job of getting the leg up and away from this leg and also protect this down leg by offering some padding here. These typically are going to be used underneath the drapes. The patient can remain in this position throughout the duration of the procedure. We always want to have their leg right at the very end of the positioner, and that's how we work out sizes of these as well. We have different lengths, different heights, and every time we want the leg to be at the end because it puts the surgeon in a good ergonomic position to perform the surgery. We have sterile bags for these ramps as well. Just like our acute angle knee wedges, the sterile bags allow us to have the ramp in here at times and then also where we can pull it out and put it on the back table, maintain sterility, and put it back in at a time when we need it. To learn more about any of our BoneFoam positioning solutions, visit us at bonefoam.com or reach out to our clinical sales team.